how to get notified when someone posts on Instagram. Okay, hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can get notified when someone, your favorite person or anyone, posts on Instagram. Okay, so without further delay, let's get straight on the video. So first of all, to make a setting, first of all, go on the profile of Instagram user or your favorite person that you want to get notified post or story of. Okay, for me, let me go. Okay, for me this Leo Messi. So I want to get notified every time this profile or Leo Messi post. Okay, to do this, just click on this bell icon on the top right corner, and you can turn it on anything that you want to get notified about. Okay, if you want to get notified about post, just click on turn it on. If you want to story, do it. If you want to get notified about video that you this profile post, just turn it on. And if you want reels, turn it on. And if you want to about live, that you can choose this one as well. Okay, this is how you get notified when someone posts on Instagram. I hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe to my channel, help me to grow, and we'll meet you in my next video. Thank you. Have a great day.